grade 5, in which we have to do unit number 1, whole number and nutrition, exercise 1b. So all the students open your book page number 11, in which we have to do question number 8 and 11. So let me start. They say that question number 8, solve this sum using the international system. You know what is the international system, in which after every 3 digits you have a give space. That's a 1, 10, 100 space, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000, like that. Okay, so they said like using the international system. Question number 8, find the difference between the greatest 6-digit number. You know that the greatest 6-digit number is 999. Greatest 6-digit number is 900,000, 99,999. And the greatest 5-digit number 99,999. Find the difference. Different means that's a different between from this value, between this value. So like that, when you find the difference, you know that when you find a difference, you use the operator of subtraction. When you find any difference in any values, between 2 values, 3 values, you have to use the operator of subtraction. So the largest 6 digits, 900,000, 99,999, 99,999. Okay. So when you have subtract these both values, the difference should be a count. So let's start. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Then space 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Then 9 is same as is because there are 6 digits and it's a 5 digit. When you have subtract this value, the difference between is 900,000. Which difference between 900,000? Difference between of the 99,999 to 99,999. So next is question number B. From the smallest 6-digit number, subtract the greatest 5-digit number. The smallest 6-digit number is 100,000. Smallest 6-digit number is 100,000. And the largest 5-digit number is 99,999. The population of Peshawar. The population of Peshawar is 1,900,017,042. If to add the value of Quetta, population of Quetta 1,01,205.